clock on the wall's been moving too slow. Teacher keeps talking but my mind's on the road. Sunlight sneaking through the classroom blinds. Baseball fields and bonfire nights on my mind. Backpack stuffed with notes and dreams. Counting down days on the football team. Buzzing phones and a last day grin. Everybody's ready to fly again. Ain't nothing sweeter than freedom in the air. Flip-flops, cut-offs, wind blowing through our hair. School's almost out for summer. Hear that bell ring louder than thunder. Small town kids gonna paint these nights with fireflies and dashboard lights. No more homework, no long clock sound, just country roads and windows down. Yeah, we made it through another year somehow. School's almost out for summer now. School's almost out for summer now. Parking lot parties after final exams. Coolers in the back and guitars in our hands. Mama says don't stay out too late, but these June moon nights just can't wait. Sneaking kisses by the county fair rides. Laughing with our friends by the riverside. Feels like the whole world's finally free. Just you in this town and a summer breeze. That last school bus is about to roll away, and we're already living for tomorrow today. School's almost out for summer. Hear that bell ring louder than thunder. Small town kids gonna paint these nights with fireflies and dashboard lights. No more homework, no alarm clock sound, just country roads and windows down. Yeah, we made it through another year somehow. School's almost out for summer now. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's almost out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. One more Friday, one more test, then we're chasing sunsets in the west. These are the days we'll talk about years from now, when we're all grown out. School's almost out for summer. Bonfire hearts burning hotter than ever. Barefoot dreams underneath the stars. Radio singing from old parked cars. No more pencils, no more rules in town. Just long tan lines and country sounds. Yeah, the best time of the year is here right now. School's almost out for summer now. Yeah, the bell's about to ring, and freedom's calling our name.